You ain't seen the news, you ain't seen my shoes, you ain't see the views. Look, I get the views.
Yo, this is your boy Awesomeisjayell, aka the biggest music artist in the metaverse. And today, what I'm bringing to you guys, I'm bringing you guys a market analysis. This is the April boom that I've been talking about the whole time. I did a video, I'll probably say about a week ago. I talked about how April is going to be huge. And we've already stepped into the first day, April 1st. No April Fools. You know what I mean? We stepped into April 1st. Look at the volume. The 24-hour volume is 3 million. We are up 100%, and at a total volume of 253 million. So let's get into this top 10 real quick. Let me tell you guys what's going on, right? First and foremost, Claynation has made a massive announcement about a partnership with Snoop Dogg and Cnft. And they're supposed to be going live, having a live conversation soon. I don't remember what date it's supposed to be. I think maybe April 5th, but do your own research. I'm really not too sure right now. But they made this major announcement. What did this major announcement do? Well, this major announcement sent them over 6,500 or 6,500% in the past 24 hours. They are now sitting at 1.5 million in the past 24 hours. And they are also up 1.6 million in the past 7 days and up 986%. Where's the floor? The floor is 2,549 ADA. So this news has not only sent the Claynation through the roof, but it also sent the Cnft space through the roof. We are up 100% in the past 24 hours, and that is amazing. At number 2, we got Claynation x Good Charlotte, which in my opinion is a better entry for a newcomer, especially a newcomer for the whole space in general. Just being transparent, I don't own a Claynation or a Claynation x Good Charlotte. I've seen them sitting on the floor at amazing prices, and I kind of slept on them, and now they're going up. So, but I'm really not too worried about that because I'll pay the price to get mine. You know what I mean? Whenever I get ready to pick it up. So, we got Claynation x Good Charlotte sitting at a floor of 569 ADA. They are also up. They're actually up even more in the past 24 hours. They're up 8,965%, and they have done 314K ADA in volume, and they are also up 1,336% in the past 7 days. They're sitting at the floor of 569 ADA, and that is amazing. But yeah, like I said, welcome to the boom. This is the boom of April. I prophesized this a couple of days ago or a week ago. I can't remember when I uploaded the video. You guys can go down below and check my Cnft playlist, and you will more than likely find it. Another thing I want to talk about is Split World. So Split World actually minted yesterday, and they're actually still minting right now as we speak. I just checked the Discord. Let me look at that again real quick. I was just in the Discord. So as of 5:12 a.m., that's what time it is EST right now, they still have 410 NFTs to be minted. So if you guys are interested in Split World, they are still currently minting. Right now they have done 55K ADA in volume in the past 24 hours, and they've done 55K for 7 days and 24 hours, which is not bad. And they have minted 7.4 thousand assets, and like I said, they got 400 left, and they're supposed to be minting 7,700 if I'm correct. But yeah, so shout out to Split World is still minting. I did pick up a Split World However, there were a lot of glitches with jpg.store. Not sure what that was about, but hopefully they have everything running up and running real fast. So let's continue the rest of the top 10. So you got Boss Planet Real Estate. They're up 57% and up 22% in the past 7 days, and they're at a floor of 320 ADA. Shout out to them. Then you got Pendulum. Pendulum is down 50%, but they have done 131K in the past 24 hours, which is amazing, and 398K in the past 7 days, and they're at a floor of 130 ADA. Then you got the Ape Society, which they've been going ham, period. They're down 15% in the past 24 hours, and they are up 232% in the past 7 days. They're at a floor of 1,717 ADA. And I expect this to probably rise more. I heard that they are actually minting their Ape Society cabins here soon, so you might see all of this spike and rise again. They might have another run. And number 6, we got Space Buds. They're up 22% and they're down 57% in the past 7 days. They're at a floor of 6,250 ADA. And that's Space Buds, that's a blue chip, so they're gonna be good regardless. At number 7, we got Boss Cat Rocket Club. This is the Boss Cat Rocket Club ecosystem. Initial entry, they're down negative 62% in the past 24 hours, and they're down 3% in the past 7 days. And the floor price is 1,074 ADA, 1,740 ADA. And what I'm seeing from these is, I really think when you see something down percentages in this top 10, I really think these are really investors that are probably selling off. It's probably selling off so they can get them some Claynation or Claynation Claymates or Claynation X Good Charlottes. Especially with the big news and the huge announcement, it's kind of shifted the whole market, and Claynation is the biggest catalyst of the whole market right now, and they're kind of like leading the market and pushing everyone upward following this huge news. So you're gonna start seeing a lot of people in projects start to sell off just to jump into Claynations. I was in the Claynation chat and I seen a lot of people coming in saying, "Oh, I bought my first Claynation. I bought my first Claynation." These are people that are selling off. They're selling off so they can, get their Claynations. But yeah, it is what it is. What do I think about it? I think it's great. You know what I mean? So to number 8, Split World. We already talked about Split World already. Number 9, Dead Pixels. They're negative 5% in the past 24 hours, and they're also negative 9.6% in the past 7 days. They're at a floor of 2,500. And Dead Pixels are, also I feel like they're also going to be a victim of that a little bit since they're down a couple of percent. But that's not too bad though. You know what I mean? So they're still sitting at a floor of 2,500. And then at number 10, finally, we have Pavia. They're up 8% and up 9%. 8% in the past 24 hours and 9% in the past 7 days. They're at a floor of 298 ADA. And it makes sense for, Pavia to still be up in the past 24 hours and the past 7 days because it's a metaverse. And every project is going to need a metaverse, even Claynation. You know what I mean? So I know Claynation already got their own metaverse stuff going, but I seriously doubt that they won't partner with any other metaverse. They might do some other partnerships too as well. So that is it for the top 10. That is it for the market analysis. And once again, like I said, my synopsis is it is booming. It is booming currently, especially coming fresh off the heels of the news of Snoop Dogg and Claynation partnering up. And also shout out to BCRC for partnering up with Manny Pacquiao. That is also another huge catalyst to move the Cnft space up to the next level. Excuse me. But yeah, and that is it. You know what I mean? And this is your boy Awesomeisjayell, aka the biggest music artist in the metaverse. Oh, matter of fact, you guys also, I want you guys to tune in today at 4:30 EST. I will be streaming live another new episode of Cnft Market today. If you guys are unfamiliar on Cnft Market today, what I do there is I go live for 30 minutes to an hour, and I talk about all my sentiments concerning the market. I also go over the top 10. Other than top 10, I usually introduce new projects, interact with all my subscribers in the comments and checking out the projects that they like. I also do overviews, like the Yummy white paper. Even though I made a video about that, I will also be going over that again in Cnft Market today. So you guys be sure to tune in today at 4:30 EST for Cnft Market today. And this is your boy Awesomeisjayell, aka the biggest music artist in the metaverse. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I am signing off.
You ain't seen the news, you ain't seen my shoes, you ain't see the views. Look, I get the